War Eagle, y'all. My name is Lindsay Dole, and I'm this year's chapter president of Delta Zeta. We're so excited that you guys are finally here because we have been waiting for this day for months. We're also just so happy that you've chosen to participate in the sorority experience because I know for me, Delta Zeta has brought on some of the best friends and best memories I've had here at Auburn. Delta Zeta has 6 shared values that we use as a framework for our membership experience. These values are belonging, citizenship, generosity, curiosity, empowerment, and friendship. These are the values that we not only try to instill in our chapter, but these are the values that we encourage our members to utilize in their individual lives as well. We're so excited to share more of these values with you throughout the week.
Hello everybody in War Eagle. My name is Kaylee Arnett and I'm this year's Vice President of Membership for Delta Zeta at Auburn. And we cannot wait for you to experience what Delta Zeta has to offer. Like Lindsay said, our values help guide our journey through membership while we're consistently working within ourselves and within the chapter to become better sisters, students, leaders, and just better human beings in general. In my opinion, the value of friendship is what makes Delta Zeta feel like home. With friendship comes sisterhood, and with sisterhood comes sisterhood events, which are the best way to build and grow relationships within the chapter. From going to Six Flags, where there's long lines, great for long conversations, to sisterhood study nights, where you just grab a snack, come relax, do homework, study for that big test next week, and you get to do it with all your friends. To whitewater rafting, where we're holding on for dear life while just paddling down those rapids. It's just amazing to me, the endless opportunities for us to grow our sisterhood, and I love that.
Like Kaylee said, friendship is such a huge part of the Delta Zeta experience. I know when I was going through recruitment, I was looking for a group of girls that I could really be authentic with. And every time I walked in Delta Zeta, I felt seen and I felt heard by every single person I talked to. That's something that's really special because it still rings true to this day. I know that any of my sisters would have my back and would always support me no matter what. Another value that I hold really close to me is generosity. We as Delta Zetas believe that no matter where you come from or who you are, you should always be generous with your time, talent, and treasure. We have so much fun throughout the year hosting events like Hamburgers for Hearing and also serving our community with sisterhood service events. Our national philanthropy is speech and hearing, with our national partner being the Starkey Hearing Foundation and our local partner being the AU Speech and Hearing Clinic. We're so excited to get more in depth about this on Philanthropy Day.
Delta Zeta Fast Facts. Ready? Go. Number 1. Delta Zeta was founded nationally in 1902 at Miami University and was founded at Auburn in 1940. Number 2. Delta Zeta is one of the first 3 sororities founded on Auburn's campus. Number 3. Our mascot is the turtle. Number 4. Our colors are rose and green. Number 5. Delta Zeta's badge is crafted by Tiffany and is found in the Smithsonian. Number 6. Our philanthropy partner, Starkey Hearing Foundation, does work internationally. Number 7. Delta Zeta is the only sorority with a chapter that is international in Canada.
Like we said before, we're so excited that you guys are finally here, and we're so excited to share the love of Delta Zeta with you throughout the week. So for now, we'll just go ahead and gaze into the possibility of your future with Delta Zeta.
I used to dream, used to believe that there was one and only out in the world for me. Even though it's dark, I still feel the spark. Someone's gonna come along, come and steal my heart. Every now and then, wanna begin again. Let the past go, forgive and make amends. I won't apologize for what I left behind. This is where I am, and it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Don't let it slip by tonight. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Someone's gonna come along, come and shake my world. Every now and then, wanna begin again. Let the past go, forgive and make amends. I won't apologize for what I left behind. This is where I am, and it's a beautiful life. beautiful life, and it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. Don't let it slip by tonight. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. And it's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful